So thank you so much for listening, guys, for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy this one for your breakfast. Have a great day.